This is hard. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a funk beat. Is like create that sort of iconic like cowbell melody. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can either just find a cowbell sample, or you can get Serum, Vital, or any other like synthesizer, and just make one. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so basically you start off with saw waves, and you need 3, and then you start off with a normal one, and you pitch one up an octave, and you pitch one up 7, and it just creates this. And you play with the envelope. Just make some simple melody like that. It's done. All this is is E, G, F, E, but it's like a 3 pattern. So you copy it over like however many times. So I did it like, so it'd be a 2-bar loop, and then you copy it over, but then you wait, and then you fill up the end of the bar, so like it sort of evens it out and makes it like a even progression type thing. But just either playing nothing or adding bare notes just to swap out the pattern. You can fix up the sound a little bit, maybe like add a filter. Then you just want to go in with a clap or a snare, but today we're using a clap because actually maybe I use a snare, I don't know. Just want to add a simple 808 pattern. And then hi-hats, pretty simple again. Just 2-step. We'll make a 2-step, but we're gonna source it up. So that's a basic 2-step, but if you do this, we can actually just do this, This is hard. Alright, cool. This is hard. Something you gotta do with a funk beat is always add little vocal sample. What to the motherfucking 2? Motherfucking 3, what the fuck you gonna? What to the motherfucking 2? Motherfucking 3, what the fuck you gonna do? Then you kind of want to resample it and make different sections with the melody because it's very simple and will get quite boring. So if you do this, so do another beat cut right here, cuts everything else out. Yes. Light work beat from scratch. If you enjoyed, like the video. If you like me, subscribe. If you've got any suggestions, drop it down in the comments. Okay, and go watch this video because gems.